Hello there, my name is Adriano and this is LiveAlgarve Realty. Today we bring you this special property located in a quiet neighborhood in Vale da Lama, right next to the renowned Palmares golf course and the natural beauties of Alfresco River and Meia Praia Beach. By car you can easily access Lagos in 10 minutes, Portimão in 20 and International Faro Airport I would say in 50 minutes. The construction area is 240 square meters in a plot of 979 square meters. Let's take a look inside. So here inside the house you'll find 3 levels. On the ground floor you have 2 bedrooms with their own bathrooms, also a spacious garage. On the first floor you have this in the back very nice garden with its olive tree. Here you have the living room with easy access to the kitchen and also a master bedroom with its own bathroom. And on the top floor you have the terrace with the beautiful views all around. In the kitchen, you'll find sleek and modern appliances such as Smeg, perfect for the home cook. In the house, you'll find equipment such as air conditioning, intelligent refrigerator, and many more. I hope you enjoyed this tour, and if you'd like more information, please click on the link below or contact us. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.